what we were looking to do is really educate and open the people's minds into BIM is much more than that. So when we look at integration of technologies where we have the hardware interface to the software interface, it's really about digitization of that process. So removing the human element is essentially to increase productivity and reduce error and effectively make yourself much more cost effective on site. So innovation is something that companies need to start to lean towards too. Certainly sustainability is one of the overriding aims of the UAE, and that can't be achieved unless you do innovate and adapt technologies. Really the overriding message to everybody is look at a holistic approach to construction. There's a lot of technologies out there that I don't think people are aware of, and certainly if we look at traditional surveying, traditional positioning technologies, if these are divorced from the software side, the digitization, the modeling, then you still have that break in the workflow. Technology, Trimble is a fantastic technology company. All we do is provide solutions, innovations for construction. And I think this platform for this event allows people to actually see the diverse solutions that are available in the market today. And we can move very quickly just from a BIM focus to overall construction solutions. Yeah, so the different elements we have, we've laid it out. So in the morning we have detailed panel discussions, some interesting presentations on advancements in 3D printing as one aspect, how we approach the market today, what the outlook is coming forward, and then also there's a big focus in the UAE on 2020. So I think with only 2 years remaining, then 2020 is how are we going to actually achieve and get on the deadline of delivering a lot of these projects. So infrastructure is there, then we have the buildings themselves, and if we continue on the same path, yes, we'll approach that in terms of throwing labor, and they will probably hit the deadline without a question, but are we actually reaching towards the whole ethos of 2020, sustainability again, how can we deploy technology? Expo 2020 is all about technology, and so why not use technology to be able to deliver that? The afternoon sessions really hone in on a more of a technical level. So all of our attendees that are here, obviously to listen to the exciting discussions and interesting information that's coming out from industry, but also that's an opportunity for them to actually engage with the hardware and software into different streams and different tracks, depending on their interests. So, we have geospatial, marine construction, heavy civil construction, we have the buildings. So there's a lot of different opportunity depending on what domain you come from in construction to actually have more detailed technical information. So we have, in terms of our sponsors, from Trimble itself, we have different franchises of the business. So we have the Trimble MEP, we have the Trimble Buildings, which has a portfolio of different solutions. We have a marine and civil construction. Then we have our partners, which are SciTech, and they're a distributor across the whole region for geospatial tools and machine control. So Caterpillar is a big partner with Trimble, and we use specialized machine control to be able to automatically guide machines. And then we have other partners like Microsoft. So Microsoft is our business innovation partner, our technology innovation partner. And we teamed up with between Microsoft and Trimble to bring new advancements in technology. One of the technologies they're displaying here today is the Surface Hub, which enables engagement from different disciplines to share information on a large platform. So e-learning rooms, that kind of technology. I think if I again focus on the hardware side, we have different positioning technologies, GNSS, satellite telemetry, We've got marine and construction, very specialized technologies that manage positioning of cranes and when they do the dredging. We have total stations for laying out the MEP. A remote robot that'll actually go in and shoot the points, where the MEP positioning, laser scanning technology. So a lot on the physical hardware side is certainly there. Moving forward, 3D printing is, a topic of big discussion here in the Middle East. We had a fantastic presentation from Benjamin from Killer Design. To note that the first 3D printed occupied office in the world is here in the Middle East. And we see some of our customers investigating 3D printing for different applications.